Hi, so this video will be a continuation of our previous videos about buttons. So in this video, I will be discussing how to use these buttons as a navigation tool. So I will be creating pages with embeds, and then we will be using these buttons to navigate to the next or previous page. So first of all, we will be using some lightbulb utils that we can import from lightbulb utils. The pag import embed paginator, and also from lightbulb utils import nav. And then next, if we go into our command, so first of all, let me create a list. So I will be adding lines into this list by using for x in range of 0 to, let's say, 15, and then list. This is line number x, and then I'll add a new line. After creating these 15, I'll be separating the lines by using for L in list.split, and I'll be splitting this for every new lines that is created, and then pag.addLine L. So basically this is like a line count, and then next we can create a new variable navigator, and this navigator will be nav.buttonNavigator pag.buildPages, and finally await navigator.run cpx. So that is all for the command. Next, let's build our embed with the navigation buttons. So pag equals embed paginator, and then max lines. For the max lines, we can put any number we want, but for now let's put, for example, 5. So in each page there will be a maximum number of 5 lines, and then add pag.embed factory, and then our function build embed page index, page content, and in this part we can just create our embed right away. So embed hikari.embed just as usual, and in here let's create the title, for example, navigation buttons, and for our description we can put this as our page content. And that is all. The only thing we need to do left is return our embed, save this, and then let's try and run our codes. Now let's go into Discord and then call our function, which is buttons, and we can see here, so our navigation buttons, this is for the next page, previous page, and to navigate to the last page. You can see all the pages here. Now to modify these buttons, we can go into our library folder and then look for lightbulb utils, and it should be nav, and right here we can see the class button navigator, and if we scroll down a little bit you can see here, so our buttons. So for example, this part is for the emojis inside the buttons. We can change this by using Unicode, and then for the button style we can change it, for example, to secondary, or I can even remove a button So for example, let me remove this button here, the red one. So let me delete this, save it, and then let's run the codes again. So if I call the command again, we can see that the first button is changed from a primary style button to a secondary one, and then the red button is now removed. So that is all for this video. See you on the next one.